Okay, so my friend gave me this scramble and asked for a solution, so here's what I found. And if you want to follow along, the scramble is in the description. Okay, so I did white cross on this scramble because of this block, and this block, and also this edges here for this block right here. And so what I did was I did an R to bring this pair up, and then I did D to put this with this edge, and then R. And then before putting this edge in, I actually moved this over and then moved it up, and that also moves this pair up. And so now we want to move this cross edge back, so we can move this in with it, and then do a D2, F2, R2. And so now what we have is an X cross, but then we also have this free pair right here, and we also have this this nice F2L case with a solved corner. We also have this case, which does not look very nice now, but in a second it'll look very nice. And just as an added bonus, we have EO. So I guess this is technically a ZZ solve, but not really. Anyways, so we just move this pair out of the way and solve this like this. And then instead of ending with an R2, we're actually just going to end with an R, because we can see that this corner and this edge match up really nicely if we do an F move. And now we just have two free pairs. So we can just insert both of these at the same time. Well, not really at the same time, but very similarly. So like this and like this. And luckily enough, this gives us a ZBLL. And so how I recognize this, there's two opposite corners here, two opposite corners here, and then there's no blocks really, and then there's this, but there's this Z-perm block. There's no like block of, there's no like block that isn't a pseudo block. So anyways, this is the alg, and it ends with a U2.